Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called Get the Sum of All Vector Elements. So it says create a function that takes a vector and returns the sum of all numbers in the vector. As you can see from the examples, the vector has 2, 7, and 4. So if you add all these numbers up, you're going to get 13. The second example has 45, 3, and 0. If you add them up, you're going to get 48, and then so on. Okay, so let's go to the code tab. As you can see, this function, we're going to return a number int, and the argument inside the function is a vector called, it's short for array R. So what we're going to start with, essentially, we have to go through the vector, and every single element we have to add them up. So to collect the sum of all the elements, we're going to initialize an int sum 0. And then to go through every single element, we're going to do a for loop. So for int I equals 0. So this part again, we're starting off with 0 in the array, because we start off, and instead of starting off at 1 in the array, we're going to start off at 0. It goes from, let's say the array size is 3. We're going to go 0, 1, 2. And let's go to the test. So as you can see, array size 3, this is going to be 0, element 0, element 1, element 2. Okay? So we're going to start, because if we start at 1, it's going to start right here at 7, and we're just going to add these two up, and we're not going to add up the 2. So there we go. Int I is 0. And then we're going to do I, and we're going to go all the way to array size. So that means we're going to go from 0 all the way to array size. So array size 3, so 0, 1, 2, because we don't have it's less than or equal to array size. I is less than array size. And then we do I plus plus, because that means we're going to go through every single element. So we're at 0, and then we're going to add 1, we're going to go 7, and then add another one, we're going to be at 4. So to do that, we're going to do sum, and then we're going to do sum plus array I. So again, this vector, it's called R, short for array. So as you can see, that's what we've been using. So this I is what's gonna be noting that we're gonna go through. So let's say we're going through 0 first, right? And then we're gonna go to 1, and then we're gonna go to 2. So this is what it's gonna be doing every single time. It's gonna keep on moving. It's gonna keep on moving. Okay, but the for loop is already doing the work for us. And then we can shorten this up. You can actually just do like this. And then after adding them up, we're going to return the sum. And let's see if it passed the test. As you can see, it passed all the tests. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe for more Edabit problems. Thank you.